Chow Local right now, you can add a button to your Google business profile that links to your Chow Local menu instead of DoorDash or Uber Eats or Skip the Dishes. If you are on DoorDash, Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, or if you're watching this video right now and you're in Wichita, which is our first American city that we're operating in right now, um, whatever food delivery apps you guys have down there, I think you've got Postmates and all of those platforms. If you have any other one of those big food delivery apps that charges you commissions, you might find that this button shows up automatically and it's linked to one of those other platforms. Now, it's better for your restaurant to set this button up so that it links to a commission free online ordering system, such as Chow Local. Obviously, I'm promoting Chow Local because when someone orders through Chow Local, you're not going to pay commissions. Even if you have DoorDash's storefront service or option that they offer restaurants, Uber Eats has something similar where they give you a page that you can take orders through from your website, and that those orders are in air quotes commission free. Now, although those orders are commission free, what ends up happening is the customer becomes a user for that platform, right? So the next time they're going to try and get that customer to order through their app or their website so that they can charge them a commission. Now, even if that customer is already one of their users, what happens now is they know that they like to order from your restaurant, so they're going to try and get them to order from your restaurant again in the future, but through their platform so that they can charge you commissions. That's why Chow Local is better, because we never ever charge commissions. So when you bring that customer through our platform the first time, you will never find that we're going to try and get them to order in a way that's going to cost you a commission or anything like that. Anyway, if you want to add this button to your page, guys, all you have to do is just email support@chowlocal.com. Let us know and we can help you add this button to your Google business profile. You'll basically just have to invite our email address, support@chowlocal.com, to access your Google business listing as a manager. And then we can set this button up and optimize your business profile so that you're not sending any of your customers to order through the big delivery apps. Again, I always say this, but those big delivery apps, the ones that are charging you a commission, whether they're big or small, if they charge you a commission, they should be sending you customers. It should not be you sending them customers. So that's the thing that we're just trying to correct with Chow Local and the way that we set things up. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.